I love you, George.
Education is the key. Education is the master. 7 years ago, we know nothing. 2 days ago, we are full of knowledge. Today, as we speak, we are proud of ourselves. Education is the key. Education is our master.
Education is the key to life. Dear parents, if you could not tell them, let us tell them. Let not strip one. Let us strip our soul. What you are saying is education. Education, you are the key. Education, you are the master.
As we found ourselves in a lorry from Somaliland, Somalia, we felt our destination was unknown. In the darkness, through the wilderness, thick and thin, ignorance has no difference. Thirsty for water, hungry for food, yearning for his need, held tighted by her. I clung back to my mother. My relief was in the reception center. I found a new status.